Okay, guys, you should be in nowriting.com, sign in using Google, and the assignment that you should see pop up is the 9/24 Technical Tuesday narrative idea. Click on that. Okay, so the prompt is to your left. Actually, let me look at it as a student. Okay, this is what you should see, and you're going to read your prompt first. Today, you are going to practice writing with nouns and verbs. Your goal is to write at least 3 sentences. In your sentences, you will bold the nouns, which are people, places, things, and underline verbs, which are action and being words. Teacher example is right here. Let me read it to you. Today, we is a noun, so I bolded it. Will create is going to be the verbs. Ideas is going to be another noun for narratives. So you can see in that sentence what I bolded and what I underlined. Now I'm just going to read the whole thing to you. Today we'll create ideas for narratives. A narrative is a story. For our assignment, students can choose to write personal or fictional narratives. That means students can make up stories or tell a story about their own lives. Personal narratives are not fictional. Fictional narratives are made-up stories. Now it's your turn. Write 3 sentences about something interesting that happened to you. That would be an idea for a personal narrative. Or start making up a story, something brand new, not something you are already working on. I know some of you writers in the room might already have 20 pages in a Google Doc written down. You know who you are. I'm looking for just a brand new idea. Make sure to bold the nouns and underline the verbs. Click Ready to Write, and I can show you how to do that. Okay, so now you have a text box that you're going to complete the assignment on. You do not need a title. You do not, need a title, but you could make one if you wanted to. But you'll start writing here. This is where you will write your narrative idea. And just write it as if like it's the beginning of your story, okay? I'm really just looking if you are able to find your nouns and verbs. So go ahead and find a noun, and then you'll hit B right here to the right, and that will bold it. If you see a verb, you're gonna underline it, like so. And I'm looking for 3 sentences. Once you have 3 sentences, this meter bar will completely fill up because 3 sentences is about 25 words. And then you are able to submit your writing. I just need a little bit of an idea. It doesn't need to be a masterpiece yet because that's what we will be working on later on. So then you'll submit your work. It will tell you if your minimum length has not been met. But once you are done, submit your writing, okay? Please let your substitute teacher know if you have any questions.